Let's solve this equation together. It says x squared minus 1 is equal to 2 into x plus 1. Let's solve this Olympiad question. First thing to do here is I can rewrite this. Okay, so I have x squared minus 1 is equal to 2 times s is 2x plus 2 times 1 is 2. Hence, I have x squared minus 2x minus 1 minus 2. What I left on this side is 0. Okay. From here, I have x squared minus 2x minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So I have this quadratic equation to simplify. Now, you can use the scissors method. Okay, this is what I call the scissors method. So now x squared times 3x minus 3 is minus 3x squared. Okay, minus 3x squared, the two factors of minus 3x squared that when we add should give us this is minus 3x and plus x. Okay, so this should give us this. So what we are going to have here is what? This and 1. So we have minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so invariably what we have here is x squared x minus 3 into x plus 1, and it's equal to 0. So when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x minus 3 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 3, or okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so it's either that x is equal to 3 or negative.